After watching this video, you will have an idea about perimeter as applied in basic house planning and plane figures. What is perimeter? Generally, perimeter is the length of the line bordering a closed figure or an area on the ground. Basically, this concept is applied in geometric figures such as square, triangle, and rectangle. In this presentation, let us consider the application of this concept in a square. For a square, perimeter refers to the length of the line around the square. It is being highlighted by the red line. For understanding the application of the concept of perimeter in house planning, let us take this example. Perimeter is the distance around a lot as shown. It is highlighted by the red line. This can be used also in measuring the distance around a building or the house. These are the common application of the concept of perimeter in geometric figures and in house planning. In addition, this idea is used to measure the length of the fence to be constructed around a house and other similar conditions.